Welcome back. Here we go again. Why'd the T-Rex cross the road? Give up? Roads weren't invented back then. T-Rexes were dead now, so they can't cross the road. I'm full of dad jokes today. Okay, here we go. We're going to do a site now. So, in order to do a site plan, you have to click on Site Plan. You should see your roof. Okay, so we're going to make your ground, your dirt, all that fun stuff now. Okay, so you're going to click on Massing and Site to get started. And you're going to start with Topo Surface. So just kind of click around your area, make your land all nice and big and loud. Now, if you wanted to, this would be a time to create sloping in your land. If you wanted to do something that's like -1 foot, you could, and then you could add points to add slopage around your land. You don't have to. I'm just showing you this. If you want to go nuts on it, go ahead. I'm going to keep mine relatively flat just to make things easy. If you don't like your points, just highlight them and delete them. If you don't see the slope, then you're good. If you want to highlight them all, you're like, I started this, but I'm not feeling it. You can easily just highlight everything and just press 0, and it'll go back to normal. So, press your check mark button, and now you have land around your house. Okay, let's see it. Go to realistic, and it's dirt. Zoom in on it. You see it's nice and brown. Okay. We still got a lot of work to do on this thing. So let's make it grass first. So click on your dirt. You're gonna click on the material. There should be a site, possibly. Give me a second. I will find it. Let's see, where is it at? I think I went past it. There should be something that has to do with grass or earth. Earth, that's what I want to do. Earth. But I don't want to do earth. I want to make grass. So I'm going to do a duplicate of this. I'm going to call it grass. Okay. Got that ready. I'm going to go to appearance again. I'm going to do this. I know I need grass. I'm just going to type in grass so I don't have to go through the whole search thing. And it will find it for me. I usually like the dark rye. Gives a bit more texture. You can choose whatever one you want to. And now you have grass. But wait, there's more. So right now, if you look inside your house, let's say like the kitchen view, you'll see that there's now grass inside your house. Oh no, how do we fix this? I'm going to tell you. So go back to site plan, and you got to hide your roof first. So click on roof. Down here, there's a little glasses thing. I'll teach you how to use that. So under glasses, there's a hide category and a hide element. I'm going to choose hide category because there's just one. Okay? Because I want the roof gone for a little bit while we get this finished. So right here, I'm going to go building pad. So what a building pad does is it creates a pad around your house, and that way your grass doesn't go through it. I'm going to set this to BO footing, so it goes a little bit beneath my house. That way I'm not having to worry about any sort of a layover or whatever else. So start clicking this around your house. It should be around the outside area of it. If it doesn't come in as such, then we're going to flip it here in a minute. That way you don't have a lot of hangover. Make sure you get this wall right here. I'm going to flip this thing so it goes like this. That way you don't see it inside your house. Once you do that, all corners are around it. Nothing's hanging out there. Press check mark. Now, if you look inside of your camera view again, you'll see that it's back to tile now. If you go to 3D and you look under your house, you'll see that that's what you did. So that's what you made, is you made that thing go down that low. So when you look under and you see that, that's what that is. Don't worry about it. Breathe. Okay, back to site plan. Find it. There we go. Okay, site plan. All right. Well, obviously the next thing missing is a driveway. Okay? That's where you go to this nice little thing called subregion. Okay? Let's do this simple. If you want to do it complicated, go ahead. I'm just going to use rectangles and lines. So most garages are 10 feet wide, so I'm going to go about like this. Please drag it beyond your yard. Don't stop here, because then it looks like you have to go through the yard in order to get to the garage, which is what I typically see. So just bring it out all the way. It'll be fine. Okay, press check mark, and there it is. Now, you'll see when it comes in, it's dirt. Okay, once I get my sidewalks in, I'll show you how to change it, but I don't feel like doing that twice. So my front door is right here, so I'm going to build a walkway now. You have to use lines if you do this. You have to draw it along the other one, that way it doesn't look weird. Now, the bad part about this is I don't know where my front door is. I'm guessing. So I might go back and change it here in a few minutes. So to draw it out, make sure you have the pink lines on the back and the front. Press check mark. There we go. Let's change this thing to concrete or asphalt. So I'm going to click on both these. Press Control. Click on them both so I don't do this twice. Choose the category button. Go to Earth. I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Or, actually, hang on. There's a better way of doing it. I just like to usually go... Oh, wait. No, I do have to do it that way. Never mind. Sorry about that. I know you probably hate when I do that. Okay. Make a duplicate. We'll call this one driveway. Okay. Appearance. That. This asphalt is perfect. It's just a basic asphalt. Just click that. It goes right in here because it's assigned to site work. Press OK, and now it's black. So now I want to look at the front of my house so I can see what it looks like. And I was close. If it looks really awkward, you can just choose edit boundary and use the arrows just to toggle it back and forth. That way it's not so big. It's not so obnoxious. There we go. That's much better. So now I got a nice little driveway on my mom pa kettle house here. So we need vegetation, dudes. We need some vegetation. We need some trees, man. Trees easy. Just dump them in there. They're all right here. Some will look very 3D. Some will look kind of choppy, but it's okay. I'm just going to dump some around here so I can see where I'm at. I usually do this in a section view or in the site plan view, but this works out just fine also. And that way I can see like what I'm doing. Let me show you how to add a pond. I always find this fun. So once you add your trees, you're good. We're going to add a pond next. Name this movie. Pool or pond? Oh, pond's more natural. If you know what, just someone ask me. See these trees? They look weird, but they're fine. So I'm going to make a pond. So I'm going to go sub-region. Once again, I'm just going to make a little oval like this. Yeah, like that. Make a little shape. Make sure it's fully enclosed. Go to Material. Scroll down to... There should be a liquid here. Or water. If not, I will duplicate the earth. I'm not seeing it on this one. Must be thinking of Inventor. Okay, let's go to Earth. That's why you make duplicates of things. We're going to call this Lake. Appearance. Swap out. I think if you type a liquid, it'll pop up. Nope, yeah, it did. So that's one of them. That's just one I usually like using. The cool thing about this one, I find, is you can make wave height. That way there's a bit more ripples. I found that to be a cool little render itself. And press check mark, and then you're done. Cool. If you wish now, if you want to make a... I said Revit City. I don't know if I just said it twice, but I had to do a quick edit on that. So anyway, let's go to Revit City real quick. See the fun stuff I was doing here today. Let's say you want to put stuff in the let's say you want a playground. There's a few of those on here. So let's say you want a little playground, swing set. I like this one. So maybe try to spruce things up a little bit. And load in a project. This thing looks huge. Right there. Works. So, okay. I'm not going to do a video on trying to make your house up. But usually what I do is I like to have a couple different renders of your house. I always want a kitchen. I always want a living room. or a bedroom, and an outside. So I might do 4 this year. I might do a living room, a kitchen. So I want you to take some time, put some sofas in here, put some bedrooms in here, make it up to where it looks like a livable house. So I'm going to stop this video for what it is. My next video will be on rendering and then sheets, and then you guys are pretty much done with this house. You know how to build a house now. So there's still a few things I want to teach you guys, like stairs and stuff like that, but I will get to that in our next house. So, all right. This has been fun. I've enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys have too. I'm going to stop talking now because I'm done with this video. Bye.